Hello YouTube, it's me, Transformers Fan 21, back with a brand new unboxing video because I just got this on Amazon today. Just ignored the glasses because I need some more scene because I was gonna kill. The reason why I'm wearing my Garfield shirt because I'm gonna plan on getting new clothes pretty soon. Like, jeez, they know how to do these. Because college starts in 2 Mondays. My first year at West Hills. I make new friends. And the reason why I love coming to school, and well, I'm really gonna miss seeing my friends at the rallies, but I'm still gonna see them at the football games too. Now let's get on with this. Let's get the show on the road. Okay. Jeez, they don't know how to. Ugh. Oh, just to let you know, I'm doing great on all my videos, and let's see what it is. No way. Jeez, they put this. See if I can try. Yes, I've been dreaming about getting this when I got it, my Oculus, back when I had the stomach flu. I'm gonna put this on my headset and see if I can give this a shot. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays only. But I gotta wrap up. Take care. I'll see you all later. Bye.